Hello everyone. How are you today? Today we were learning about color theory, session 12. Let's go. Okay, from the color theory 12, we have subthema there is brand coloring. What do you think about brand coloring? You can explain to me? Okay, we were learning today. Come on. For the first step, we will know how to state of choice brand colors, the state of determining colors and color palettes, as well as seeing how well known brands apply them to various media. Analyze the creative brief, determine the main view. A creative brief is a document created in early day of designer and client meeting in design project contain question and answer but the fact problem faced by the entity to be designed. Simplify, visualize it is a then design project. It must start with research. And don't forget, and creative brief, it is simple the form of what, who, why, where, when, how, and how much. You must remember this, okay? An entity in actual project is intended object. Now, how about color of brand personality? Brand personality is human trend used to reference, describe brand personality. This is important for the company, brand community with the audience at the emotional level reference and their aspiration. Jennifer Alaker researched the personality word brand have grouped five brands. There is seniority, assessment, competence, sophistication, and regularity. Moving on from genre, we burn personality to specific color. And there are this color like seniority with white or pink, maybe for excitement. This is a red or competition with blue or sophistication like black, pink, or purple, or rigorous like with chocolate or black. Now, how about propose the theory of the branch, shall we? Okay, can be grouped into three types based on their purchasing motivation, like brain types, functionally, sensory, and social. Functionally, meeting that needs to be pleasure, physical, and stimulation. Sensory, like meeting the need for the solving problem. Social, this meeting solving problem, meeting the needs for needs and self-initiativity. Like product sample, functional, like car tires, power tools, or kitchen tools. How about sensory? Sensory, like amusement park, chocolate, perfume, and etc. No? How about keyword related to color? To determine the main color, you can also search for keyword from the creative brief that can be related to the color whether it is expression of immediately. Example of express keyword, Curly written the creative brief of the interview or research result. The color of his company is blue. Green has special meaning in the history of this company. Example of the keyword no written in the creative brief has the potential to translation specific color. Now how about domain color, subordinate color, or accent color? Okay, for dominant color or major, the hue with the largest portion is called the dominant major color. It is the main hue, the master part of the field, integrate the work. This dominant color function as union and all design made. How about subordinate or mirror color? The second large, the portion is give the color for the subordinate the hue change or created variation, contrast in the design. So it is not monotone. So for subordinate color, choice hue that is quiet and contrast with the dominant color, not unlayered color, same color. The smallest portion is the accent color. This is a hue surfer as emphasis the field emphasis on design. Color proportion. This is among designer. There's a notice for driving the color portion to make look harmonious, namely like 16, 13, or 10. The point in 10, 16 is a main color dominant, the 60% of the total color, or 30 another color attribution, and 10 is longer color, usually only 10% to use entry plan. Over various color distribution. In addition, there are many more tips for color division to be balanced. The following some of them. This is for the ratio or to your combination of variation color. Now we move to color matrix. This extent to which to vary the color in word design application media, like in magazine or you like an t-shirt, on hat, on bag. There's more color you can see how to combine the color to our identity of the brand. Like for example, is line code, line code ID. This is for they use brand identity like blue, black, and the combine this is profile personality about this brand. And then the next we move to another brand. You can see from Cisco, this use like blue color, green, white, light blue, sky blue, this combination of they use color for their company. And Adobe, Walmart, Asco Nobel, or you maybe you know Pertamina. This is brand company from Indonesia. Just use like blue, red, and green. So they use three color brand color for this company. In contrast to other design work, Choosing color combination for corporate identity is required long process, starting with analysis, creative, brief, range, color combination and portion, created metrics, and the player dump. All of the rest on the creativity of designer in mixing sensitive theory with personal intuitive. Thank you so much for your attention. See you again in the next week. Bye bye.